look at my new pet. It's an betta fish, and the other one died because of this crazy little snail. It killed it. And this one has a long fin than the other one. And they have not same color, because the one in the green was blue and this is blue and yellow. She's so cute, right guys? She looks like a goddess because blue and blah blah blah. Oh my god, look at her fins. It's so cool. Oh my god, I think I'm gonna award this the most longest betta fish in the world. Like, bro, how did she get that long? And this was just a baby. She died. And this is my house. Okay, this is the top floor, and the top floor is our, it's so, and that's my tatay's house. And there's my friend there. I will now go to school because it's gym. So I will go and take a bath now. And bye. See you tomorrow.